Hello children, starting with the second part of the chapter ratio and proportion. In this video we are going to understand ratio in simplest form. Simplest form means lowest term. Okay. If if A is to B is a ratio and this ratio is said to be in the simplest form if the HCF of A and B is 1. For example, let us take ratio 4 is to 7. 4 and 7. Let me find out the HCF. 4 dividing 7. 1s are 4. 3 dividing 4. 1 time 3. 1, 3. 3s are 3. Then what is the HCF? My HCF is 1. Isn't it? Since the HCF of 4 and 7 is 1, hence 4 is to 7 is in the simplest form. Another example let us take. Ratio 42 is to 48. Is this in the simplest form? No, this is not in the simplest form. Because when I find out the HCF of 42 and 48, I get as 6. 42 dividing 48. 1 time goes 42. 6 remains. 42 will come down. Then 7s are 42. Then what is my HCF? My HCF is 6. Isn't it? Here the HCF of 42 and 48 is not 1. It is 6. Hence 42 is to 48 is not in the simplest form. 42 is to 48 is not in the simplest form. Why? Because the HCF of 42 and 48 is not 1. It is 6. So, for a ratio to be in the simplest form, the HCF of the antecedent and the consequent should be 1. Clear? Then how do we convert a ratio? Suppose a given ratio A by A is to B is the given ratio. How do we convert it in the simplest form? To convert a ratio A is to B in simplest form, we divide A and B by the HCF of A is to B. Here we took the example of 42 is to 48 and I said that 42 is to 48 is not in the simplest form. Because HCF is how much? HCF is 6. Now how do I convert this 42 is to 48 to the simplest form? Let us learn that. 42 is to 48, the given ratio, this is the given ratio. So first you write the given ratio is 42 is to 48. Then find out the HCF. Find out the HCF, we got the HCF as 6. So write HCF of 42 and 48 is 6. Therefore, 42 is to 48 is equal to 42 by 48, that is equal to 42 divided by 6. We divide the antecedent and the consequent by the HCF of the antecedent and the consequent. Okay. So 42 divided by 6, 48 divided by 6 is equal to 7 by 8. Now this ratio is in the simplest form. Clear? Let us take another example in the form of a fraction. Now I need to express this in simplest form. 1 by 6 is to 1 by 9. Here, since this is a fraction, we need to bring this to a whole number. So how do you do it? First find the LCM of the denominators. Okay. 6 and 9. LCM of 6 and 9 is how much? we found out to be 18, right? Then 1 by 6 is to 1 by 9. This is equal to how much? This is equal to 1 by 6 into the LCM, multiplied to the LCM, okay, is to, put this inside the bracket, is to, again open bracket, 1 by 9 into the LCM, close the bracket. Now 6 and 18 goes 3 times, and 9 and 18 2 times. So 1 into 3 is 3 and 1 into 2 is 2. So this is equal to 3 is to 2. This is in the simplest form. Clear? Now coming to exercise 7a. Here first question is, express each of the following ratios in simplest form. The second bit I have done, 95 is to 57. So first you write given ratio 95 is to 57. Then write the HCF of 95 and 57. HCF we found out to be 19. Okay, the HCF is 19. Therefore, 95 is to 57 is equal to 95 by 57 divided by 57. Now this is equal to 95 divided by the HCF, 57 divided by HCF. This is equal to 5 by 3 equal to 5 is to 3. Next one, 3 1 by 4 is to 6 1 by 2. First convert this to improper fraction, then find the LCM of the denominators. To LCM is how much? 4. Then multiply the antecedent to the LCM, then the consequent to the LCM, then 4 and 4 get cancelled, get 13. 13 by 2 into 4, so 2 and 4 will get cancelled 2 times, so 2 into 13 is 26. We got the fraction as 13 by 26. Now this fraction is not in the simplest form. Okay, why? Because the HCF is not 1. The HCF of 13 and 26 is 13. So 13 by 26 is equal to 13 divided by 13 and 26 divided by 13, that is equal to 1 by 2, equal to 1 is to 2. Clear? Now look at this one. 8ab square is to 6a square b. The given ratio is 8ab square is to 6a square b. Therefore, 8ab square is to 6a square b is equal to 8ab square divided by 6a square b. Now this b and this square get cancelled. Why? I'll explain you here. See, this is 8a b square is what? B into b. Then 6. A square is a into b. Now this a and this a get cancelled and this b and this b get cancelled. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. So this is 4b by 3a. Clear? So this is 4b is to 3a. Question number 2. Express as, again it is expressed in the simplest form. In simplest form, 1 by 8 is to 1 by 12. When we have a fraction in ratio, then we find the LCM of the denominators. Whatever LCM we get, LCM of 8 and 12 found out, okay? Whatever LCM we get over here, this LCM we will multiply to individual terms, okay? To the first term, this is 1 by 8 or the antecedent, you will multiply 24. Then to the consequent, multiply 24. Then 8 and 24 get cancelled how many times? 3 times, because 3 8s are 24, and 12 and 24 get cancelled 2 times, because 12 2s are 24. Now 1 into 3 is 3 and 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, since the HCF of 3 and 2 is 1, so 3 by 2 is in which term? It is in the simplest form. Clear? Similar way you will do this sum, but in this first you will convert this mixed fractions to improper fraction, and then the remaining solution will be as done in the previous one. Okay, only difference is that here you will convert these mixed fractions to improper fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2, and 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7 by 4. Then find the LCM, then multiply the LCM to the individual terms, and then find the ratio. Clear? Then find the ratio. Question number 3 is express each of the following ratios in simplest form. First question is 35 paise to rupees 1. This is paise and this is rupees 1. We studied about the facts of ratio, that both the antecedent and the consequent should be in the same unit. They are of the same kind, both are money, but then they should be in the same unit. One is paise and the other one is rupee. So first you need to do what? You need to convert this higher unit to the lower unit. 35 paise remains as it is. Then 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So in place of 1 rupee, write 100 paise. Now this is in the form of a ratio. This is 35 paise is to 100 paise. Paise will get cancelled. Okay. So what remains is 35 is to 100. The HCF of 35 and 100 is 5. So 35 by 100 equal to 35 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 equal to 7 by 20. That is 7 is to 20. Clear? Then the next 8 months is to 1 2 by 3 years. This is months, this is years. This is greater unit. So you need to convert this greater unit to smaller unit, that is months. Now this is mixed fraction, isn't it? So convert it to improper fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 3 years. To convert year into months, we need to multiply to 12. So 3 and 12 get cancelled 4 times. So 4 5s are 20. So 20 months. Now we have a ratio 8 months is to 20 months. Months get cancelled. What remains is 8 is to 20. That is equal to 8 by 20. Now this 8 by 20, the HCF is 4. Okay. HCF of 8 and 20 is 4, because 8 and 20 both lie in the table of 4. Okay, so this is equal to 2 by 5, that is equal to 2 is to 5. Question number 4 is the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 7. Find each angle. You have to find each angle. So let the angles be first angle is to second angle is to third angle, that is equal to 5 is to 6 is to 7. That means first angle is 5, second angle is 6, third angle is 7. Okay. Then the angles are in the ratio of 5 is to 6 is to 7. Sum of the ratio first you will find out. The total of the ratio is 18. Then we know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means the first angle is how much? 5 by 18 into 180. So 18 and 180 10 times, 5 tens are 50. Second angle is 6 by 18 into 120. Similarly 18 and 120 get cancelled 10 times. Then 6 into 10 is 60. Third angle is 7 by 18 into 180. 18 and 180 get cancelled 10 times. So 7 into 10 is 70. So the angles are 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. Clear? Rest sums we will be doing in the next video.